All action here in Shambu border. The farmers may have been removed from here, but what is on is the process of removing these concrete barricades. And remember, what you hear behind me is that particular drilling machine. And remember, the JVC and the others have been brought in to lift those heavy concrete slabs. They were put in place to ensure that the farmers in tractors and trolleys could not march towards Delhi. 399 days onwards, what we see is the farmers have been evicted in a surprise move, and this is where it seems that they were already in talks with the government, and that's the day that the government thought that they could actually corner the leaders, and that is how a swift action was taken, first picking up and detaining the top leaders, and then thereafter action both at Shambu and Kanori. Now hundreds of farmers have been detained, but is this going to go down well? Because many indicate that Punjab was suffering, especially as far as economics is concerned. Thousands of crores down the drain. It's also because the key arterial road, the Shambu border itself, was blocked. Now the attempt really is to open up the side roads, which, because the flyover has the main strength of trolleys and tractors, but on the sides is where there is an axis where there's a probability that once these concrete slabs are removed or taken away, that's when it can be cleared. It's going to take some time, but that's going to happen. But what is really going to happen now is also about how politics is heating up in Punjab. Just the BJP, who was initially blamed for not allowing farmers to enter Delhi, are the ones who are now training guns at the Aam Aadmi Party. The other is about how farmers now intend to regroup, because remember, it's also the Punjab budget session. It's starting from the 21st, going on till the 28th, and that is when it is believed that these farmer leaders will continue to be in detention. But yes, as far as the Congress are concerned, BJP is concerned, the Akali Dal is concerned, all of them training guns on the Aam Aadmi Party at this point of time. And what you see here is the area where action had taken place, but now it is totally devoid of the farmers. And what you see is not just the laborers being brought in with brooms, but also trolley tractors to pick up any sort of remnants, including slabs and all these, because once it's cleared, there would be a lot of residue and the others, remnants really left behind. All decks cleared, clearing up at this point of time to ensure at least the side roads, especially onto Punjab-Haryana highway, are cleared for traffic. Remember, this is a calculated risk taken by the Aam Aadmi Party, because that's what they feel, that it's the commuters, the common man who's suffering, because the farmers who've been agitating for very long, they say they do support the demands of the farmers, but that's not the way to go about it. The farmers are not buying anything of that sort. They're saying that crores of rupees have gone down the drain, because that's the sort of, they had television, fridge, even ACs, anything to do with the cookware. So whole of them had also actually brought in not just tractors but cars, buses. So that has now been raised, and this is going to raise temperatures in Punjab. So the next few hours is something too crucial, and obviously to see any action from the farmers' side. With camera person Gunjeet, this is Kamaljeet Sandhu at Shambu border for India Today.